student, the Election Commission of India observes 25th January, its foundation day, as National Voters' Day every year. The main objective of Election Commission is to encourage more young voters to take part in the political process. Now I am here today to discuss with you the question paper that you saw in the electoral quiz competition. So many students from class 9th to 12th standard have attended this electoral quiz competition. It was a written quiz conducted through online in Google Forms. You can see the question paper I am displaying for you that you can have the full idea of all the relevant questions on electoral quiz. And some of you have not attended this, so our school has given wonderful opportunity, and you must take these opportunities and attend many such event in the future also. So let's see question answers. Question number 1, the branch of political science which deal with study election, and the right answer is psephology. The psephology means the statistical study of election and trends in voting. And move to the question number 2, who is known as the father of Indian psephology? And right answer is Pranay Roy. He is an Indian journalist and psephologist and co-founder and executive co-chairperson of New Delhi Television. And move to the next question. Question number 3, article which deals with the power of the Election Commission of India. The right answer is Article 324. So, according to Indian Constitution, Article 324 will be an election describe about Election Commission of India. And next question number 4, current Chief Election Commission of India. And right answer is Sunil Arora. He is the current and 23rd Chief Election Commission of India. He is also the chairman for Association of World and Election Bodies. And move to the question number 5. The election in India comes under which amendment in the Constitution? And right answer is 19th Amendment. 19th Amendment of the Constitution of India, officially known as the Constitution Act 1966. And move to the next question number 6. In which year was none of the above, that is nota, button introduced in EVM and ballots? And right answer is 2013. None of the above has been provided as an option to the voters in most elections since 2009. But 2013, the Indian judgment directed the uses of nota in the contest of direct election to the Lok Sabha and the respective state assemblies. And move to the question number 7. Chief Election Commission of India is appointed by, and right answer is President of India. So, who is our current President of India? Mr. Ramnath Kovind. And move to the next question. Question number 8. Under which of the following provision is the booth level officer, that is BLO, appointed? Right answer is Section 13B 2 of the Representation of the People Act 1950. And move to the next question number 9. What actions can be taken by the Electoral Registration Officer, that is ERO, with reference to the electoral roll? And right answer is all of the above. Addition, deletion, and correction actions can be taken by the Electoral Registration Officer. And move to the question number 10. What is the maximum age prescribed for registration in electoral roll? And right answer is no limit. So there is no maximum age limit for registration in electoral roll. And move to the next question, number 11. For how many years an MLA is elected? And right answer is 5 years. So member of legislative assembly is elected for once in 5 years. And next question number 12. Symbols to the political parties at the time of elections are allotted by, and right answer is Election Commission of India. And move to the next question, number 13. Which of the following category of voter are entitled to vote by post? And right answer is service voters. And move to the next question, that is, what is the full form of nota? And right answer is none of the above. And next question number 15, what is the tenure of office for the chief election commissioner? And right answer is 6 years or 65 years, whichever is earlier. They have tenure of 6 years and 65 years, whichever is earlier. And question number 16, which is the smallest Lok Sabha constituency in general election by area? And right answer is Chandni Chowk. It is in Delhi. And also this Chandni Chowk called as Heart of Old Delhi. And next question number 17, the only prime minister who never faced the parliament was? And right answer is Chaudhry Charan Singh. Okay, next question, number 18. By which amendment was the voting age lowered from 21 to 18 years? And right answer is 61. The 61 amendment lowered the voting age of election from 21 years to 18 years. And next question, number 19. Headquarters of Election Commission of India. And right answer is Nirvanchand Sadhan. It is in Delhi. The next question, number 20. When was the EVM first introduced in election? And right answer is 1982. EVM were used first time in 50 polling station of Padur AZ in Kerala. Next question, number 21. In India, a booth level officer work for the registration of what? And right answer is voter ID card. The booth level officer or official who assist in updating the role using his local knowledge. And question number 22. The election for Lok Sabha are held every, and right answer is 5 years. The election for Lok Sabha are held once in 5 years. And next question number 23. Who among the following was never a chief election commissioner of India? And right answer is R.S. Verma. He is presently Commissioner Municipal Corporation. And next question number 24. The registration of voters is a responsibility of which among the following? And right answer is Election Commission. Election Commission is responsible for the registration of voters. And next question number 25. In which year first general election to Lok Sabha were held in India? And right answer is 1951. The Indian general election held from 25th October 1951 to 21st February 1952. And next question number 26. Which of the following committee is concerned with electoral reforms? And right answer is Goswami Committee. It issued a report of the National Commission to review the working of the Constitution of India. And next question number 27. Which of the following decide the disputes relating to the election of the president? And right answer is Supreme Court. The Constitution of India provides that all the doubts and disputes in relating to the election of the president are inquired and decided by the Supreme Court, whose decision is final. And question number 28, full form of VVPAT in election system. And right answer is voter verifiable paper audit trial. And question number 29, first Asian country to introduce nota. And right answer is Bangladesh. None of the above on the ballots were introduced in 2008 by Bangladesh. And question number 30. During India's first general election, where was the very first votes casted? And right answer is Himachal Pradesh. Do you know Sham Saran Nyagi has gone down in history as Independent Indian First Voter, which was held on 25th October 1951 in Chini in Himachal Pradesh. And next question 31. In election, which chemical is used on voters' fingers as election ink? And right answer is silver nitrate. The ink contains silver nitrate which stain the skin on exposure of UV lights, leaving a mark that is impossible to wash off. And next question number 32. Where is headquarters of Election Commission is situated? And right answer is New Delhi. Election Commission of India is mandated body that was established in 1950 to foster the democratic process in India. Its headquarters is in New Delhi, which is our capital. And question number 33. On which date National Voters Day is celebrated? And right answer is 25th January. In order to encourage more young voters to take part in the political process, the government of India has decided to celebrate January 25th every year as National Voters Day. And next question number 34. Election Commission celebrate its Golden Jubilee in which year? And right answer is 2001. The Election Commission was established on 25th January 1950. The Commission celebrated its 50th anniversary in 2001. And next question number 35. What is the minimum age to participate in elections for Lok Sabha? And right answer is 25 years. The Article 84B of Constitution of India provides that minimum age for becoming a candidate for Lok Sabha election shall be 25 years. And question number 36. Electoral photo identity card, that is EPIC, were introduced for the first time in, and right answer is 1983. A voter ID card, also known as the electoral photo identity card, is a photo identity card that is issued by the election commission to all the individuals who are eligible for to vote were introduced in 1983. And question number 37. The number of seats reserved for scheduled caste in the Lok Sabha is, and right answer is 79. The overall increase of population in 2001 census has led to increase the seats for scheduled caste in Lok Sabha to 79. The next question number 38. Electoral system of India adapted from, and right answer is England. And next question number 39, which is known as preferential voting, and right answer is alternative vote. Preferential voting may refer to a different election system whereby the voters indicates his order of preference for each of the candidates listed on the ballot. And question number 40, the Election Commission of India is, and right answer is independent body. The Election Commission of India is an autonomous constitutional authority responsible for administering election in India. So student, we have discussed all the questions. I hope everyone are clear about the electoral topic. So one vote can rock the boat. The ballot is stronger than the bullet. So, voting is a fundamental right that every individual should exercise. As you are future generation of India, we should encourage and support our elders to vote to build a prosperous nation. Thank you.